Γεια σας! Είμαι η Εύα. Let's learn the verb ψάχνω, which means I'm looking for or I search for something or somebody. First, we will conjugate ψάχνω in present tense. Ψάχνω. Ψάχνεις. Ψάχνει. Ψάχνουμε. Ψάχνετε. Ψάχνουν. So, if you are somewhere, for example in the street or in a shop or in a bakery, and you cannot find what you are looking for or the person who you are looking for, you can simply ask, I'm looking for plus the word. For example, ψάχνω αντιλιακό. I'm looking for sunscreen. Ψάχνω γάλα. I'm looking for milk. Ψάχνω ένα καλό εστιατόριο. I'm looking for a nice restaurant. Or you can say ψάχνω τον Γιώργο. I'm looking for George. Ψάχνω τη Μαρία. I'm looking for Maria. So, if I ask you, τι ψάχνεις? What are you looking for? I'm looking forward to